Hey guys, Christina here. So today I'm going to do a video on contouring. I've had quite a few ladies wanting to do my makeup lessons, either privately or in a group, and the one thing they always seem to bring up is contour and using their makeup or using the same makeup for the last 10-15 years. So they want to spruce up their makeup look and also makeup tools and products. So I thought, why not do a quick video on contouring. Now it is super basic, and there are so many different ways that ladies on YouTube or Instagram, makeup artists in the real world who do TV or film or weddings or events, etc, etc. There's just so many ways, products to do it. For me, I prefer to use powder. It's just easier, it's less fuss, and I feel it's pretty simple to create when you want to do something very simple. And as we are all working ladies, or super busy ladies, we want something super easy to create and make a difference. So the pressed powder is what I love to use. Actually, I lie a little bit. I use either a pressed powder. So what I have found is the MAC Skin, what is it called? Mineralized Skin Finish powders, really good. So I've got this one here. It's got no shine to it. And it's matte, and it is really good. And then for those of you living in Australia and New Zealand, Thin Lizzy is really good, the pressed powders. And then one that I really love, which I used to started using when I was working back at TVNZ, and my boss Paula adored it, and I have ever since used it, is the Chanel Soul. I've used it for, I don't know, 10 years and I still don't know how to pronounce it properly. Soul Tan de Chanel. I don't know. That's a really nice cream one to use. The tool I use, or the brush I use, is the KTK Foundation Blender, and it is amazing. As you can see, it is a domed shaped foundation brush, and you can use it in so many different ways. I absolutely love it, and so do my clients. So obviously for your foundation, you can blend it really well, so your skin looks absolutely stunning and natural, and a second skin rather than a mask. Secondly, I use it for cream blushes. So if you saw my video last week, I use a Jane Iredale lip and cheek tint, and I use the brush to put it all on. And then I use it to blend in concealer under the eye. It is incredible. And lastly, I use it for contour, so under the cheek and around the forehead and under to chisel the neck. What is this area? Jawline. So that's what I'll show you today. So I'm going to use the Chanel one. So load the brush up in the little pot here. And as always, and as my clients will tell them, tap off the excess on top of your hand, and then you can keep building up. So I always start from the middle of my ear and work my way down to just where your cheekbone, so your cheek, apple of your cheek is, and finish there. You don't want to go too much longer than that, because then it starts to get towards your lips, and you don't want that. So just a really nice blended line here. So usually if you struggle to find the line, you just suck your cheeks in. So whenever you're doing contour, suck your cheeks in. Whenever you're doing blusher, then you smile so you can see the apple of your cheeks. I already know where it is, so I kind of can just easily put that in. And it's just small strokes. Just finding that line. And just do it. It's like a C, really. Well, there goes me in the camera. And you don't want to go too much onto your apple of your cheek. It can act as a bronzer, but really you want to change the colors up, so your contour is just the one color. blend that in, and then you can work it around. And then load your brush up again, and then you can do the other side. The middle of your ear is. Okay, both sides done. And then obviously you can do the rest of your hairline. Again, making sure that is nicely blended in. And then if you need to, you can load your brush up again and do your jawline. So I always just do it right underneath there. Sometimes I don't need to because I've got quite a slim jawline anyway, so you don't want to make it look gaunt or anything. So you just make sure you really blend all of that in. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy. So just a little recap. The products you want to use are the matte powders with hardly or very little shine and definitely no glitter, or a cream like the Chanel one that I really love. The KTK foundation blender, because it fits perfectly under your contour line there. And then just go from the middle of your ear and work your way down that line to where your apple of the cheek is. And then you can go switch it around, make it like a C shape from your forehead down, and you can go all the way around to the other side, and you can go onto your jawline. Always remember to blend everything in because you're not supposed to see it. It can, you know, it's obviously there to cast a line, but you do not want to see it. And that's it basically. I hope that helped. And then you can, just last thing, then you can put your blusher on and your highlighters if you like. But yeah, that is all. I hope that helped. As usual, please message me if you need to, if you want me to do a video, if you have any questions, if you want to know more about my brushes. I will link to them to my online shop. So have a fabulous week, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.